much more.
Ready, monkey?
Here comes the tiger, orange and black, creeping quiet on the jungle track. Here is the elephant, big and strong, swinging his trunk and singing along. Here is the lion, king of the land.
Hear his roar, it's big and grand.
Zebra's stripes are black and white, running fast with all his might.
Baboons jump and swing all day, laugh and play in every way. Slithery snake goes side to side, sliding softly where he hides. Parrot talks in colors bright, hello, hello, with pure delight. Hello. Giraffe so tall, can touch the sky, munching leaves that grow up high. Bear loves honey, sweet and fine, licking paws, it's yummy time. Here's the lion, king so grand.
Elephant splashes, isn't that grand?
Lion roars, elephant sprays, look, a tiger strong and keen. Jumping rivers, what a scene!
Hear him growl, stripes and spots, side by side. Drinking water, open wide. Neigh and munch, friends in pride.
Crocodile with shiny smile,
Don't get close, just stay a while.
snap, snap, big and wild. Bear caught fish, what a wish!
Tasty dinner in his dish.
Splash, splash,
Jungle joy, river fun for everyone, safari joy under the sun. Hooray! Lion roars, tiger too.
Echo bounces, mountain view.
R-O-O-R-R-R, G-R-R-R-R, just for you. Elephant climbs the hill so high, trunk up proudly to the sky. Monkey swings, parrot sings, fun and laughter jungle brings. Ooh, oh!
Rolling down the mountainside.
Fun and laughter, what a ride! Ha ha! Zebra runs so fast and free, stripes like magic, come and see.
Parrot talks and loves to play. Echo echoes all the way. Say hello, bright and gay.
Hello! Stretch up high, giraffe so tall. Eat those leaves, don't drop them all. Who's awake when night is near?
it's the owl we can hear.
Hear the wolf, he sings tonight.
Cock-a-doodle-doo, it's day. Sun is up, hooray, hooray. Elephant makes a splash so cool. Morning showers, jungle rule.
Here's the lion, strong and free, leading friends for all to see. R-O-R. Animals big, animals small, we love to meet them all. Safari time was lots of fun, come again everyone.